confuse the types of ropes from the materials used to make ropes. Now let me begin with the types of ropes. Type number 1. Do not ask me for the spelling. Hawther-laid rope. Hawther-laid rope. Hawther. It is Hauser. Hawther-laid. Number 1 is knot tying. Number 2 is lashes or lashing. Number 3 is hitches. And number 4 is camp crafts. Because all those honors require the use of ropes. Are we together? Are we together? I'm going to give you a theoretical introduction. For those who know this introduction, we just supplement when I forget. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
What is a what is a knot? What is a knot? What is a knot? What is a rope? Hello. So when I say hello, you say hello. A rope is a string. Yes. Any other supplement or any other answer? Yes, please.
A rope is a string that have a starting point and a running end.
Rope is a string that has a standing what? A starting and a running. Thank you. Wonderful answer. Okay, so we try out this simple definition of a rope. A rope is a large string twisted together. A rope is a large string twisted together. For anything to be called a rope, there should be something. I am also learning now from you, yes? As bridge cables, yes. I'm actually also going to look for that because from the last research, small research I have done, I saw those synthetic ones were the mostly used. So I think even the metallic ones are used, but I think they're replaced easily after a small while because they can rust. Oh, the swings. You enjoy swinging. We need to make one. It is okay you bought the ropes. The metallic ropes are used as padlocks for security purposes. You tell us the use, we are looking at it. This one here. They used to do what? To support what? Earthing. But for earthing, they use copper wires. Yes, please. The barbed wires. Yes. Yes. Yeah, there is some twisting. You can confirm. You can confirm. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1. Petroleum tanks. To do what? They could also be used for decoration. Hey. Oh, okay. Yes. Automotive what? Okay, okay. When? Wiring, yes, used. Okay, so now you can understand the differences between the types of ropes and the types of materials used to make. So you can find a cable-laid rope, but it is synthetic, or it is natural, or it is metallic. Are we together? So from that, you will look at the do's and the don'ts of the what? Yes, please, Elder. Two strands. That is going to be your research. Hey, you will give us the name. You will give us the name. I also know they are there, but you give us the name. Okay, we. Someone is saying the goat's intestines. Yes, please. Yes? Silk. I'm actually not sure. I'm not sure about silk. I don't know, but it looks like it is natural. So we need also to do research and find out, are they natural or not? Okay, now we look at a knot. What is a knot? What is a knot? The do's and don'ts are yours. The what? Not really. Are they twisted? Are they twisted? Yes, please. They are ropes. They are ropes. That is your research. You know, we told you we are teaching instructors. We are not teaching pathfinders. Are we together? Hey, I have given you the glimpse. Now you're able to go and do what? Research. You look at the other types of ropes and also look at the other types of materials used to make ropes. Are we together? Yes, you also need to know the do's and the don'ts. Which weather conditions affect our ropes? Hello? That is your work. Yes, Elder.
Would leather fall both under synthetic and natural? Because it can make ropes.
I think because of that process. The process of switching it to that format that is more stronger, I think it can also be called synthetic. Because I know there are chemicals that are used. Yeah, they treat it to that format. Okay, now, what is a knot? Ekitutwa kyeki? Ekitutwa kyeki? Yes, please.
A rope.
A knot.
A knot.
Yes.
Comes from adding ropes together.
So we have an idea here. A knot comes from joining two ropes together. Are we together? So the process of joining two ropes is knotting or knot tying. So definitely a knot is what? Is a joining? Yes, please. Twisting two or more strands together. Now we are looking at a full rope. Yes, please.
A knot is a
We. You listen. A point of entanglement. Don't ask for the spelling. Yes, please. A knot is a point of entanglement of two or more ropes. It is a knot. It is a knot. So, in the same way, you can also be using a rope and you're tying it on a pole. Are we together? And you can also be using the same rope and you're tying the same rope to itself. Are we together? Now, we have what we call the master knots. Why are they called master knots? They are also called speedy knots because it is quite difficult for you to tie any given knot before tying them. The first two are called overhand and underhand. Yes, please. It is a decorative knot. Sumululo sune biyika byoyagala. Okay, we are going to reach there. We are going to reach there. Okay. So, number one, put your books down, put your ropes down. When I'm instructing now, you will write later what you've understood. You have your rope with you, but put it also down. So, we normally use the parts of this rope. How do we find out the parts of a rope? Are you seeing what I have just done? I'm just joining it just like this. So this one is called a standing part or a standing end. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
This is called a bite. It is called? But if there is a twisting, then it becomes a loop. Bambi njagala obitegeere. This is a bite. I mean this. This here. But when we find the twisting bit of it, then it becomes a loop. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
So now, this end down here is called the running end or the running part. Why do we call it the running end? Because it is the one we normally use to run around each other to create the knot that we want. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
So you will draw that later. Now, we begin with the overhand knot and the underhand rope knot. So the overhand is left over right and you twist. Put down your ropes. Put down your because you want to do as I instruct and you will fail. So left over right and you twist. Can we do that together? Without a rope? This is left and this is? So left, over, and you twist. You normally do this. You forgot that you're knotting. That is what? That is what? Overhand, that is what? Then underhand is right over, and you do what? So, some people are comfortable with overhand, and others are comfortable with under. Are we there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, without me, use your hands. Tie for me the overhand knot. Mukaddemu. 3, 2, 1, enter. Hey. Underhand. Waliwo ali mu kunkola bw'ati. Okay, now we use our ropes. We use our ropes. Use your ropes. You tie for me the overhand knot. This belongs to you. You show me, you put it in the air like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So I'm only going to teach you the knots that we are going to use in the crafts. So the other knots will be taught later. And the others, that will be your personal what? Research. Untie, 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 and put your rope down. Put it down. So, put your rope down. Please don't wiseacre. Please. So, now we are going to go to the other knot that we call the square knot. Square. And you will do it. Time management, my dear. You've learnt it. You know the principle already. The square what? So when I'm instructing, you're not doing anything. When I face behind and I find you with the rope, a fine of 10K on spot. And if you fail, you slope down. I am teaching instructors. Okay, everyone drop your rope down. Put it down. Put it down. So we begin with the overhand. Overhand is what? You see? You see what I have already? Then we go to right. This is now our new right. And this is our new. So we go. So this is called the square. Square. Where is it used? It is used to join two or more ropes together. Are we together? Joining the two ropes together. And also, it is used, those who normally put on the gomasi, it is called a sash. Muzungu bachita sash. Wallahi njize chipya. Chitambala. Okay. So, chitambala. So, ekyo ekitambala kye beesiba mu kiwato when you put on the gomasi, they use the square knot to tie it. Ndowooza abagisiba mujjukira. It is the one we use. Okay, so now we are tying together. Together. Hey, you use your ropes. Not 10K now. Not 10K now. Okay, left over right. You twist. Then right over. And you twist. So, you show it to me. Mala okugaba 0 ne 5. 0. You teach Elder how to tie it. You teach her how to tie it. Hey, that's okay. That's okay. You help your neighbor. Hey. Come and help him. You show him how to tie it. Help her how to tie it. You help her and show her how to tie it. Hey, yeah, you show me, show me. Yes. Please, show her. Yes. Just show me, show me, show me. Yes. You remove. You teach her.
Yes, come on, I teach you. From the ears.
It is the one. Mhm. Yes. Okay. Okay, now we go to the other note. It is called the granny note. What? Granny, granny, granny. Yes, granny. Eh, So the granny note is the opposite of the square note. Are we together? So we did what? Left over, and we did what? So we are doing what now? Lefty. It is left over right, then left over right. So then you will have something of this kind. You put down your rope. See? So I am saying left over, and you do what? And again left over, and you do what? So this is the result. And this is called a granny knot. Are we together? Are we together? Yes, sir. Can you tie it on your own? Yes, 3, 2, 1, we go. Finish it. That is the square one. Now what is disturbing me? When we were tying the square knot, other people were tying the granny. Now we are on the granny, they are tying the square. Yeah, it is the one. No, that is the square. You wonder. Yes. Yes. Yes, we are fine. Yes, it is the one. Yes. Okay, you show me, everyone. Put it in the air. Put it in the air. I can even see from the far. It is not the one. It is not the one. Hey, let your neighbor help you. Now, this knot is used to join 2 or more ropes together. Basically, that is its own use. It is called the fisherman's knot. Fisherman. The fisherman is knot. It has a story behind it. The fishermen used to join their ropes to make sure that they are on the same line, the 2 boats. So you have one piece of the rope, and also the other fisherman has the other rope. So you throw your own, and they also throw theirs. So you tie this one on his rope, he also does the same. Then you pull, and you make a longer what? Rope, so you can move together. I have explained that. And the basis of that knot is the overhand knot. So how do we do that practically? You come, I show them what I want. How you stand it? You extend it there. So, this is what I was saying. When I throw this end, you hold it, you also throw yours. So, this is mine. Okay, let me put mine in the right hand. Even yours is in your right hand. So, I tie my rope on his rope. He also ties his rope on my. Are we together? Just the overhand. The overhand we've done. No. I said you use your rope to tie. You're not using both of the ropes to tie. No, you want. Really? Really? No. Okay. Okay, you hold here. Hold this. Only that. This is the one inside? It is the one inside, the one that is moving, eh? Okay. You pull the one that is moving. We see. Okay. Fine. Okay, you pull and we see. So we are joining the two ropes to make Let me simplify it. You've forgotten the overhand. Eh? So I was saying, just be observant. Be what? So this is my rope. This is your rope. So I'm using my rope to tie on your rope. And this is how I tie the overhand. Can you all see me? You do the same. So if you're done, so this knot in between here, don't worry, we have master guides who will help us while we are doing the exercise. Eh? This is called, okay, fine. Okay, with your partner, with your neighbor, you do it. It is confusing. Bezange.
We don't know where your fingers are going.
Nanange, which knot is this one? Hey, you've done it. No. You look, I mark the neatness of the knot. You look at this one.
The rope is hard.
Even when the rope is hard. Women.
The rope is hard.
Let me see, you bring it.
Your overhand is not neat. Cut one for the zero.
Kale, let me allow you for that.
Can we repeat?
Yes, you repeat.
Use yours only to make that knot.
Mine.
Yes.
I make it over this. Then we are doing.
Yes. Don't we are done now. Then now tie. Is it?
You leave it and I look at it. Yes, this is okay.
Tie yours.
Ako
And to
kaduka
jam.
kabamu.
And now you pull. You pull hard. You also pull hard.
No. I mark the neatness of a knot. What is this? How have you done this? Then you looked at mine. They were neatly organized. So this one was pointing this way, and this one was pointing the other way. Oliba. Let me see. Before you open.
Sorry.
Yeah, this is okay. Wanji?
Anti kino kyekiti n'ogikwata bw'oti
Kakyako kemusibye.
Kachikano.
Fisherman.
Hey, no,
Mr.
you are
One,
actually on the right track, Naye.
We did what?
Look at the neatness of my knot.
Hmm.
This is how I tied my overhand. So when I take it over, it comes back this way,
Inside.
like this. But this one is pointing this way. It is supposed to be uniform.
Thank you.
Hey! We! We! Please, master guys who are in house, please help and guide. Okay, we. Okay, back to our positions. We move to the next level. I'm moving to the other two levels that are a bit confusing. Allow to get confused so that you can understand. Are we together? We. Now, we are going to the other hitch. You know, when we are constructing the gadgets, we use the speedy knots, we use the hitches and the lashes. So now I am moving to the hitches bit, then later I'll go to the lashes. Mwach chenga. So now the first hitch I'm going to talk about is called clove hitch. Clove what? Clove what? Put down your ropes. When you follow, you're going to get lost on the way. And I will not come to pick you up. It is normally used to, we tie it on a pole, a pole or a post. Now, assume this is my pole and this is my rope. Are we together? I've just hung it like this. So, I make the X. Are we together? So I come back and I pick this rope from here and I bring it inside. This is the clove hitch. Do not work out. Look at me. One more time. You make the X. Have you seen the X? So when you bring back this rope, it just joins this one that is already inside. So the figure will look like two ropes, but there is one rope that goes over the two ropes. Are we together? Now, for the third time, we are tying together. You pick your rope. So you make the X. Can I look at your X's? Not the other X's. I mean the X. Okay? You show me the X. I want to look at the X. You show me the X. Tondagene mabegeno. Ndaga X. Now, thank you for showing me the X. Now, you also look at this principle. This rope is in the middle. So this is the right and this is the left. So this rope that went up should come from the left, not the right. Hey, I am saying, when you're raising, this is the left-hand side. So this rope that went up should come from the left. Then it will go through like this. You tighten so that I can see it properly. Tighten a little bit and you show me.
What is wrong? You cannot tighten. Hey, yes. Where? Yes. Those that are left-handed? Wama, I saw. I saw. Okay, now for only those that are left-handed, we are working out. For only those that are left-handed. So if you're left-handed, that means your active hand is the left hand. The inactive is the right. So, Are we together? Are you there? So, we make our X. Have you made it already? I mean those who are using the left hand, that are working with the left hand. So when you bring it back here, it goes through. And this is the clove hitch. Those who are left, you're left-handed. You use both hands. Everyone show me your rope. Now, you tie the clove hitch on that post, that pole, that stick that you have. Hey, you can share one on the other side, one on the other side. Hey.
Wait, it's now wrong.
Right? Righty. Just fasten it. Fasten. No. You show it to me properly. It is the one. You mean I come, eh? It is the one. Just tighten it. Hey. Yes, yes. Ndaga keno boat. You said, eyo jenjagala, right? Hands jawo tulabe. Right? You want to stand up? You stand, you stand. So using the same principle.
That side from the left, from this left side. This left side of the rock. This is this rock. This one you're holding. The one you're going down. The path is down.
So, the next note is called the constrictor note. So now we are going to the constrictor note. Hey, I forgot to tell you that the cloth is called the constrictor note. What? Constrictor. So, put your ropes down. The what? The ropes down. The ropes down. The ropes okay. Just look at me. Eh? Yes, sir. So you make the X as usual. Yep. Now, For this one, when you come back, instead of just going inside, you go over this rope, and you go through the X, in the middle of the X. You will have something of this kind. You wait. Okay, I am saying we make the X. We make the X. Then, when the standing part comes back, it goes over, then through the X. So, we are now trying together. So, we make the X. Is the X, the standing part comes back and goes over the running part, then into the X. Is it simple? One more time. Okay. Those who are there, yes. One more time. Woo-wee. Do you feel what I feel?
Yes.
Oh. So now, when I want to join these two poles, are you able to see me?
Yes.
From the middle. In other words, I'm making a cross. Omusalaba, eh? Is this the middle? Approximately. So if I want to join them like this, the best knot for this is called square lashing. Square what? Lashing. Square what? Lashing. Then, if I want to join them in the diagonal way, in other words, this X format, I can do it from here, I can do it from here. Are we together? Yes. So this is called diagonal what? Diagonal what? Lashing. Diagonal what? Lashing. Diagonal what? Lashing. I need some assistance. Some two individuals should come. Just come the way you are. Okay, the next team will be for the girls.
Yeah.
So now, I'm going to begin with the clove hitch. Here. Here, eh? Here, everyone, you can see, eh?
Yes.
I have just made, what is this? A clove. So now, no, it is okay, it is okay, it is okay. We want to just note. So, with my rope, I will go over, under, over, under, over.
It depends on the length of your rope and how strong you want to join the two poles. Are we together? Yes. But it should be neat. I think even my work is also neat. Now, when you feel you're done, we need to fasten, we need to strengthen this joint that we've made. Tukubawo omusumali omuki naye guli invisible. Are we together? Ate tukubisa inchi 6 tugukubawo wetuti. Munyweze nno omusumali gujja okuyitamu gwe ddaawo gwe kuba omusumali. So when I am done, or when I feel I'm done, I can also finish up with the same clove hitch I began with. I can also finish with the constrictor. I can also finish with the overhand. Are we together? It is just a matter of understanding the principle. So this is what? The square what? Okay. Let me have now the ladies. By the way, to joining. Kwata. Tugenda joining kana akawagulu kana. Omuguwa gwange. So now today I begin with what? I begin with constrictor, eh? But I'll be wasting the knot. But anyway, let me begin with it. That is your request. Stulira ku level yemwe. No. We said this is diagonal what? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Want to try? So, not nailing. Twaliri kisinzira kyogenda okukolerako. So do not forget the what? The what? The nail. So you should finish up with what? Overhand, eh? So this is what? Okay, let me have another team. Eh? Continuous slashing. Eh? You get from the other. Number one, there are other three lashings. We have round lash, shear lash, and triple lashing. Look clearly what I am saying. For the triple lashing, there are 3 poles, and I want to join them together, just like this. What I will do, I first tie one, the beginning knot, like we've done. Then I go around. Then if I feel I'm done, I go into the middle. Nailing. Are we together? Yes. Into the middle. Nail? Nail what? Nailing. Are we together? That is what? Ebichi? MJ Isaiah, a moment. Shear. He's taking us through the shear lashing.
Yeah, we use shear lashing when we are joining logs like this to make them long, or to maybe one is weak and you want to strengthen. Yeah? You join them parallel. Like he said before that we start with our clove hitch. Yes. Someone is saying constrictor, whatever. Clove hitch done. Then we go to the next step of joining.
That is your role, my dear. You also hold it from up. Hold this one from up.
We first do like a round lashing, yeah?
Yeah.
Round lashing. That's one, then two.
It is magnetic. Okay. Get a mass 7.
3. Depending on the length of your rope. Then we can stop there. Then we do the shear lashing. When we are doing shear lashing, we separate. The nail, you call it the nail. Oh, here we don't call it nail, we call it shear lashing. Shear, it is S-E-A-R. That word shear. S-E-A-R. Yes. Then after you are doing like 3 or 4 rounds, you can end up with either clove hitch, overhand. Again, you can tie another joint here, the same way like we've done here. Okay.
Asante sana. Gwe weekolako. Okay, now who can tie for us the round lashing? Mu bigambo ebingi ebyogeddwa. Nabadde nagisibye n'ogisiba. Round lashing. Oyinza ofuna ensimbi essaawa zino. Obadde ojja eno? What? Mama, give me the pole. When you coil your rope on the two poles, you're doing what we call round what? Round what? Round what? Okay, now we are going to look at only the last two. Cow lashing, cow ente, cow lashing, and also the continuous what? Lashing. Are we together? So I'm going to take you through the cow lashing, and he will come and take us through the continuous lashing, and he will take up the class from there. Are we together? Your ropes. You're going to do the practical bit. I need more too. More 2 poles. Okay, and my rope. Ah. Yeah, it is better to see me tying than hearing what I am saying. So put up, put up, put up. So this is the cow what? Lashing. For the lashing, we normally join poles together to create a topping or a bottom. It could be a tabletop. Are we together? It could be a chair what? Top. So we lash in this format, but this requires when you have ropes, not a rope. Rope. We've talked about the knots to end with. Yes. And for this, to make it tight, you end with a different knot this way and another knot this way. Are we together? Nanga we nalabira. The knots we've just talked about, they are useful. They are applied. You join this way and the other way. You continue.
Guide Emma. Thank you, Master Guide Emma. Now we have learned, we are going to put into practice. The next step, we are going to practically tie something out of what we have learned. Yes. So I may request you to first collect those sticks. Make those bundles that you split. I want them back here.
Binabiro obuti bunaakola ebinaabiro. Sinaako binaabiro, omanyi kye ninako. Sooka olabe bye ninako olyoka omanye ki. Ninako flag base, table, union youth director, chair, detention rack, custody chamber, luggage rack, shoe rack, dining table, ekituuti.
Can I see the butterflies? The butterfly units seated together. All of you? Yeah. All the butterflies members are there? Now you are few. Where? Okay. Now for the butterflies, what we are going to do is, you are going to do as the flagger base with 3 flag poles. More so, you are going to do as kituuti. the pulpit, plus the utensil rack, and a food store. Movable food store, and a utensil rack, 3 chambers, also movable. I said utensil rack, 3 chambers, movable, and a food store, also movable. Okay? Then black ants, where are you? They are there. Black ants, what you are going to do is, you are going to do the luggage rack, movable. Also, you are going to do shoe rack, movable. Then the praying mats, where are you? Okay, for you, you are going to do us the dining table for 8 people. Make sure that the dining you are going to make for us, you can sit on 80 people. Only that, a dining table for 8 people. Then the beetles, where are you? Beetles. Hey, okay, you beetles, you are going to do us a tent for 2 people. You are going to construct a tent for 2. Yes. Only that. Then the hornet, where are the hornets? For you are going to do us the garbage racks, 2 garbage racks, and yeah, only two garbage racks, only 2. Yes. Then the wasps, where are you? The wasps, we are going to do us the washrooms. You are going to construct us the washroom, I call it a bathing room on the wing of men, on the gentle's wing. This side, bachelor order you have. Now for the. Yeah, there are two rooms. We constructed one, I myself, and there is already. So for the hornet, you have to make that on this side. 2 rooms. I'm going to show you the. The spiders. Then for the spiders, what you are going to do to us, you are going to arrange that area at our kitchen area, to arrange it very well as it must be. Efumbiro. I understand you learned the what? No, not cookery. Site plan. Now we want to see our kitchen plan well arranged, everything in its order and its right position. You are going there. Just arranging. Knowing that the water point must be here. Knowing that the utensil rack must be here. Knowing that the food or the food store, once it is constructed, is going to sit here. The fireplace here. The firewood here. You are not constructing, just arranging those areas. And not there are already something which are there, like food, the firewoods, already the fire is there, water is there. You go to and arrange those jerry cans and what saucepans, what. Then after they finish the utensil rack and what they bring, and you tell them put here. Okay. Waliwo abatafunye? Okay. Now we are going to use these 6 making those gadgets. Each unit is going to first take 2 bundles, and I'm going to give 1 sisal roll. We are going to award for this one. We are going to award. What are we going to award? Number 1, we are awarding teamwork. We are looking at teamwork. We are looking at creativity. If you are going to do the utensil rack, make sure that the gadget you are going to do, it is creatively thought of. Tokopa kale bwawakopa kyusaamuko oleme tuleeta kintu bulijjo kye tukatya kye tulaleeta akantu nga kali unique nga otaddemuko ku birowoozo. Number 3, exactness of the knot you have tied. Tuyize waneeno. Tuyize the hitching, tuyize the lashings. We want to see the hitches, we want to see the lashings, exact lashings. Zonna bokozesa to join those. Zonna all the lashings and the hitches that we want to tie whatever you are going to tie, we have learnt them. So make sure that you apply them. Another thing we are going to look at is the smartness or neatness or handsomeness, beautifulness of your work. The neatness and time management. Time management. We are going to start from now, but at 7 we will be closing this exercise and we start awarding. So those who are going to construct to tie butterflies, the unit leader should come forward with 2 people or 3 and pick the what? 2 bundles here. Make sure you don't cut any of this one. You use them as they are. Don't cut. This one you can cut, but make sure that you be economical. You have only 1. Take 2. We are going to okay. For those who are not having bundles here, the bundles are in the playground. You take 2. Then the worships, what have I given you? Worships? The unit leader for worships? What are you going to tie? Okay. Those ones for flag base, where are you? The butterflies.
It's okay, there are
Okay.
many others that we can use and use.
Butterflies. Yes. What have I given you? Utensil rack. Okay. Yes. Okay. Have this one. Go and pick 2 bundles there.
The real answer, we need 1.
You need 1.
Yes. But we need like 2.